Welcome back to A Passion for Detailing for my friends. Today we are going to be doing a review on the factory detail brushes. So sit back, relax and let's get at it. So the factory detail brushes, I'm sure you've seen them all over Instagram and all over YouTube. Big shout out to Pan the Organiser, John from Forensic Detailing channel, and also the Detailing Guru. I'm sure you've seen them use these on their channels before. A big shout out to you guys and the great content you supply. So first of all, so the two style of brushes, you have the synthetic hairs, the ultra soft and ultra plush bristles on that one, and then you've also got the more natural HOGS hair style brush there. I'm going to talk about both brushes absolutely separately. They come in three sizes, so you have a mini, a small, and also a large style brush also, all for all sorts of different jobs. So first of all, we're going to talk about the synthetic ultra soft ultra plush brush. So the bristles on this are synthetic, almost as soft as a lady's makeup brush. It's that soft. These are designed for delicate areas, and this is probably one of the softest brushes you can get on the market. So these are going to be great for interiors, especially sort of screens, soft paint. So if you're doing badges on a darker coloured car, these are going to be great for those. And also, obviously, because they come in a smaller size, they can get into sort of slightly tighter to reach areas, especially around badges, especially if the lettering is tight. So they're super soft, they're chemical resistant. All of these brushes have an easy hold handle with a taperized grip, so it makes fatigue on your hands a lot less. It feels kind of rubbery. They're made of solid plastic, so they're not going to break whatsoever. Even if you accidentally stand on one, they're not going to break. They don't have any metal, so they're completely metal free, so there's no metal inside here, and it's also got the plastic collar. It's actually a whole one piece, so that this is not going to damage any of your paint, wheels, lug nuts, wherever you're cleaning the car, door shuts. So it's nice and safe on all materials. The next one is the more natural HOGS hairbrush or hairbrush. Again, the same design handle. Again, also very chemical resistant. These are going to be much more for your sort of agitating wheel cleaners, real dirty, grimy jobs, especially around arches, trim, exhaust pipes, anywhere that you need a bit more aggressive brush. This is going to be perfect for them. So regarding the handle itself, it does have a little hole here, so you can hang the brush up to let it dry, and they do actually balance. So they're so well balanced, hopefully I'll be able to balance that there. They're so well balanced that actually, on the grand scheme of things, and they're also very, very light, so when you're working with these brushes, it's going to be really easy for you guys to get less fatigue on your hands, especially if you're cleaning many cars, or if you're a weekend warrior or just an enthusiast. These brushes are going to be the best for your detailing kit. So a very, very short video. There's the mini one. They also do HOGS hair in a mini one as well, and they are great brushes. A couple of little tips. If you are using these super soft brushes inside your car, I would recommend to keep them away from the glossy black plastics. I would suggest using just a microfiber towel to wipe them over, just to be safe, because it doesn't matter how soft these brushes are, that those soft plastics are inside the car, and also the ones that are on sort of by the windows as you get in and out the car on the outside. They're super soft, so try and stay clear of them with the brushes. But you can use these with any cleaners: wheel cleaner, APC, leather cleaner, absolutely everything. So you're going to really enjoy these brushes. They average, depending obviously where you purchase them from, something like this is going to be somewhere between 15 and 20 pounds. They do like a mini kit. It's a little bit more, but you do get two brushes, and obviously you get the slightly larger one as well. I will leave all the products in the description below, and please let me know what brushes that you use, and have you used the Detail Factory brushes, because they do come in a range of different colours. You've got red, black, white, orange, I think they do purple, pink, yellow. The world is your oyster, as they say. So much choice. Just to compare these brushes to, say, the Valet Pro one and a Cheap and Cheerful from Amazon. So that's a Cheap and Cheerful one from Amazon. It's made of wood and it's got nylon style bristles, hog's hair style bristles. Hard to tell. They fall apart very easily. They're not that sturdy, and obviously these collars here sometimes break, and also these can go mouldy if you don't dry them out. And that's a brush from Valet Pro. Hopefully you can see that there. Again, I've used these for a long time. They're great brushes, but I only find that the collars can sometimes break. And as you can see, they're just, how they're made, they're just nowhere near as good as the detail factory brushes. That's a whole one piece. There's no way that this is going to break. And again, another last little tip before we end the video there, guys, is when you have these good quality brushes, always make sure you give them a good clean. So spray some degreaser in them or some APC, give them a good clean with some clean water, dry them out and leave them to hang this way around so all the water drops out. But also when they're wet, if you just pinch them at the tip, they will stay nice and round and uniform and not look so bristly like that one. All right, so thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you like car detailing videos and you want to see how you dry your car with a car blower, click here. That's my Blow RS video, and I'll see you in the next one.